Moths, they love a bulb, don't they, moths? Oh yeah, you'd be driving up a country lane and you'll see a moth go, oh, it's a light. Oh, it's coming this way. I love lights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you ever seen one of those dogs on those retractable leads? You ever seen that? They actually think their owners accidentally let them go free. You can see them go, fucking hold on, I've got a bit of room here, hold on. Yeah, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. It's like ducks. Why do ducks eat bread? How the fuck did they get a taste for that? They've got no baking skills, have they? You don't see David Attenborough on the TV going, and here we see in Greg's the Baker's the mallard holding a large sliced loaf. You ever tried to duck a whole slice? They get all fucked up, they don't know what to do with it. They start pecking out the middle, you know? He's fucking wearing it. Suddenly looks like fucking Shakespeare. What is this I see before me? But granary bread? And why? Why do tiny little birds this size have to sing their little fucking heads off early in the morning? You know, they're up in the trees at 4 in the morning, little bird this size going, I'm singing my tiny little fucking head. And they're always happy, aren't they? I'm so happy. You never hear any miserable birds in the morning, do you? You know, up in the trees doing a couple of Morrissey numbers, you know? Every day is like Sunday. See, that's how birds communicate. They have to sing, they have to sing. To a bird, every day is just one big musical. You know, the birds are in the trees going, I see some worms, yes I do, yes I do. Yes, I see them too, yes I do, yes I do. I'm going to bed now, well shut the fuck up then. It's like pigeons. You never see a pigeon on their own, do you? They're always with a bunch of other pigeons in the middle of town, aren't they? You know? Oh, yeah, they're all fucking hard in a gang. You ever looked at a pigeon? You ever looked at one? They always look like they can hear something upstairs, don't they?